620, happy Father's Day to all of the fathers and great fathers that are out there and all the great traders that go along with it. What we have here is a NASDAQ composite, and I will just tell you that by looking at the chart, and I call it perfectly, sign up for that free 5-day trial. Do you want to get those alerts? Do you want to make money? Do you want to know which way the market's going? What do you want from me? Because I'll deliver it to you. All you got to do is sign up. I'm calling for a pullback. I have a major top. Look for markets to open down tomorrow morning. Hate to bring you that Father's Day news to all the fathers out there that are trading. This market with the federal rate and the yield curve, oh, well, they're not going to raise rates until 2023. So guess what? Low rates, cheap money, buying back $150 billion a month for what? This economy is roaring. And this economy is hot. And you got sick people, sick individuals running this government, running the FOMC and everything else. Now, just let me tell you something. This rally that we've had this far has been really robust. And we're at a major top. And if we can't take out that top, we're not going higher. And we're not. And the volatility is extremely low. The Dow was down 533 points on Friday. The NASDAQ composite was down 135, NASDAQ down 118, but most alarming is the Russell 2000 index down 50. And then the IWM down. And the Philadelphia SOX index down. Now, what will end up happening when stocks drift higher, they're going to sell. Now, is it possible to break these highs? It is. But the problem is we were extremely overbought. We're not nearly as overbought now. No, we worked it off. And that's how stochastics work. Because the stochastic are not in overbought zone on the %K, %D, then that means they reset them and you can grind higher. I can tell you right now the Dow futures are down 50. I can tell you that the S&P 500 has started a correction. Down, those futures are down. And this NASDAQ stocks and NASDAQ 100 bull rally is getting closer to a bigger pullback. Summer rallies happen, but they already did it. That's how they do it. They look out forward. And we called that rally here. Then we had the second leg. We had the top. We had a dip. Tested the 10-day moving average, came pop right back up, came down on Friday, and what I am saying is there's going to be more volatility, and it's going to eat you up, and it's going to drive you crazy. I just hate to say that. So any up move in these stocks, we're sellers. Yes, we are, and we are, and we will continue to do that for the foreseeable future until we get a decent pullback. Money managers can't buy up here. They cannot buy up here. No, they cannot put more money to work. And they can't. And they won't. So that leaves great fathers like us dealing with this market. And the volatility is low for the moment. But I can tell you something. The Dow Transport saying, hey, the Dow Jones Index sank 533 points. Once again, I'm just reiterating it. And they're gapping down right now. And this NASDAQ COMP and NASDAQ 100, and call it growth, Growth stocks versus value trade. So what have they been doing? They've been selling all of the stuff they bought last November of 2020. They've been selling Rio. They've been selling the metals. They've been selling a lot of stuff. They've been selling some of the oil. They've been selling some of like the tan and the solar area. And then they brought down that gold patch. It's just not going to be the same anymore. But we have a lot of breakout stocks that do well. Cheap stocks can do well, and they can, and they will. And we will be updating all of them. I have a complete list of the highest short interest float of stocks and the ones that work. I have provided every breakout, every trade. I just wish that the other fathers out here can sign up and get those plays. Because as we drift throughout Father's Day, it's going to get weaker. And it will. And any up move, you better know when to sell. And you better know how to short stocks using the options on the put side. And let us do the work for you after 35 years of breakouts and telling markets and which way we're going to go. We've been doing that all our life. And we have. And we're in that summertime mode. Yeah, we are. And the NASDAQ comp goes lower. And the NASDAQ 100 goes lower. And I said that we were in stage 1 overbought. And we are, and we were. We're not nearly as overbought now with the pullback. As I said, as a master technical analyst and technician, I am here to work for you. All you have to do is be willing to make the money. I will make us the money.